the last time you went shopping online? Amazon? Google? Well, guess what? Real estate is no different. When you're selling your home, placing a yard sign on the front lawn and sticking in MLS, well, that's just basic. Are you missing out on social media platforms with the most traffic? I'm Melissa Yardy with RE/MAX Preferred. You need maximized exposure to get your home in front of the most potential buyers. 95% of buyers search online for their homes and 77% use social media to search. Yet only 16% of agents use social media in their marketing strategy, and only 1% are doing it correctly. As a real estate professional, I want to offer more and better. I came up with a disruptive, strategic marketing plan that places your home in front of thousands of potential buyers. You are probably looking at this video as a result of those efforts. Now, if you would like to hear more about how I use the tools of Fortune 500 companies to place your home in front of more buyers, give me a call. Melissa Yardy, RE/MAX Preferred. When time and money matter, call me.